Hey, ladies and gentlemen, how are you? I hope you're doing well. I hope you've had a good weekend. On Thursday, you started reading about genetics that don't quite work the way that Gregor Mendel explained. In fact, you were asked to go ahead and read pages 164 to 166 in your textbook, and then to complete a sheet that had a graphic organizer there as well as some questions to answer. The second video is about something known as sex-linked traits. Yes, it's true. There is that fun word. Well, all we're really talking about here when talking about sex-linked traits is that there are traits that either girls are more likely to have, or traits that boys are more likely to have. And so I'm going to show you a little bit of why that is the case. You can see here in this picture that human beings have 23 pairs of chromosomes. You can see they don't all look alike. And when it comes to the last pair, pair number 23, those are referred to as the sex chromosomes. Those are the ones that determine whether or not you are a boy or a girl. So if you have two of the long chromosomes in that pair, and we call the long ones the X chromosome, if you have two X chromosomes, you're a girl. If you have a long chromosome, and then you also have a short chromosome, we call that combination XY because the short one is called Y, then you are a boy. And so here we have a Punnett square that shows how the X and Y chromosomes get passed along to offspring. So here we have over here on the left-hand side, we have the mom. She has two X's because she is a girl. On top, we can see that we have the dad because there's an X and a Y, so that has to be a boy. So the only chromosome that the mom is able to actually pass along to her offspring is an X chromosome. That's all she has. She has two X's. She can give an X or an X. That's all she can do. However, the father that we see up here at the top, he could pass to his offspring an X, or he could pass a Y. There's a 50-50 chance of which one he's going to end up passing. In other words, it's your dad that determines whether you are a boy or a girl. So over here on this side, we can see that these offspring are girls. Over here on this side, we can see that these offspring are boys. In other words, there is always a 50-50 chance of either having a boy or a girl in the offspring. All right, now, because the X chromosome, or excuse me, the Y chromosome is shorter than the X chromosome, it is missing some of the genes that the X chromosome has. And this can have effects like what the amoeba sisters are going to talk about in the last video that you'll watch today.